know what's happened in the first half. What we need to know is why it's happened. Andy will tell us.
They say possession wins you games. It's not at the moment.
Not too many goals to tell you about. The score at half-time is 1-0. Thanks for all your expertise. We'll see you again at the next game. All the best.
She wants a lover right now, but she's like no other. She ain't gonna wait till the morning light to find him. She's a fine sister, but no daylight kind of girl. She only wanna make it right, and she's gonna make it all right.